How to request review on Facebook Marketplace. So if you want to request review on Facebook Marketplace, then let's jump right into the process. Start by opening your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. Then tap on the three horizontal lines, which will be on the bottom right. And then you need to go with see more and make sure that you've selected Marketplace option right here. Just tap on Marketplace. But if you don't find the Marketplace right here, you need to just simply go back. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to go with settings. And then you'll find an help option. Or if you don't find help right here, then you can just simply go back and under here, settings and privacy, you'll find an option of help and support. You need to go and select help and support and then tap on report a problem. Tap on continue to report a problem. Wait for a few seconds, tap on don't include. And then here you need to just scroll down and then select marketplace. Once you've selected marketplace, you will get this kind of interface. Simply type in the issue that you're not being able to access the marketplace and you would like to solve this issue as soon as possible. Once you've done, if you have any type of screenshot that you would like to attach, then just tap on upload from phone. Once you do that, simply tap on the send option and send your issue. Once you've sent your message, within a few hours, your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can request review on Facebook Marketplace. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.